So you're obviously doing a IPO black book on Pinterest.
Yeah.
So you don't want to give everything away right now, but any preliminary thoughts? You and I were talking about one point, which is it's very expensive, but so on some level that does increase the risk of investing. But what are your general?
I like the story, which we can be long or short. We don't have an axe to grind, so you always kind of go in there extra skeptical. But after going through the S1 and doing the work and talking with talking with the industry on the for agencies and some of their big CPG customers, everything's come back really positive. And I think that the international monetization story is real. We've been digging into some of the numbers there. I like the management team more so than others, just given that they're more conservative and careful, which I think is more conducive to a public company, especially in this type of environment where you had these unicorns, fast growth companies just burning a ton of cash and kind of stumbling over themselves on the execution front. And I like that it's not a user growth story. The other thing I would say too is that what I think can support the valuation, even though it is expensive, they are pricing shares below the last valuation round, taking cues from Lyft. So I think that de-risks it to some extent. And it's what also de-risks it the fact that they're very close to being profitable. Granted on an adjusted basis, but still, if you compare them to a Snapchat, where they are in their life cycle, it's completely different. So I think there's a lot of differences between Pinterest and the social media platforms, both from a advertising perspective and a user experience that maybe just not being fully appreciated at this point.